All right, thank you, and once again, welcome back to Acholi Pro Evo TV. And here in this video, without wasting your time, I'm just going to read the NUMA Howard 2025 program lineup. How you get to know happening right now is road drive and preparations. As you can see, people are lining the chairs, the seats, the tables for you to come and enjoy. Machines are so hot here. So to start off with, at number one, the first people who are going to perform is Aguma Group of the Year. There will be Landogi, Paibona, and Odaolet. The second category is Young Talent of the Year. There will be Emax Kim, Fresh Boy and Baby Boy, Lowly Music, Spy Kid, Bestie Girl, Slim Boy. And number three is New Artist of the Year, Little King Emperor, Captain Jovan, Carol Flower, Real Kid, Winnie Windsor, Temper, Snob D, Jelly G. At number 4 is Karamoja Female, that is Ayonsi, Laviti, Comfort Peace, Sarah, Lukong. Number 5 we have Karamoja Male, Grand Timers, Dealer, Rockstar, Alarm Flash, Lil Keys, and Evie Trees, I mean to say. And number 6 is MC of the Year, that is MC Lash, MC Joffrey, MC Slender Boy, MC Doggy's Destiny, MC Mercy, MC Everdy. Category number 7 is Content Creator of the Year. There's Gibson Official, Simple Gladys, Sharboy and Sugar Boy, Abogalam, and Gino the Champion, who said he has quitted and he has joined the Walk Side, a political organization known as Walk. At number 8 is Blogger of the Year. We have Panda Promotion, Jerry Promotion, Meta Promotion, Thunder Promotion, then Fresh Boy Promotion. We go to number 9, that is Radio Personality of the Year, DJ King James, Tembo FM, Ronnie Valencian, Mega 100 FM, Jimmy J, Radio Passis, Sedu Q FM Lera, Robert Alucha, Favor FM. Then the event that will come at number 10 is the category of Most Consistent Artist of the Year. We have King Jahfire, we have Foxy Boy, we have Mixola, we have Kasid Puma, we have Luxy Mover, and then Jeneth Priska. At number 11 is Rumba Song of the Year. There's Okeng Bontown, Flexi the Bontown, Addix the Rapper, and then Neo Okello. Breakthrough Artist of the Year, we get Walkie Talkie, Snob D, Lobiski, Levo, Nace Official, and Beno Bisky. If you take a look at number 13, that is R&B, we have Carol Flower, Akisa, Lobiski, Conspiano, Ricky Bird, then Clex B. Collabo of the Year, we will get Peanyang, Maria Hay, and Kamuzu, Ayo by Evan and Neo Kello, that's a hot one. Bane Abana by Tim Sense, Ayoli by Snob D and Labat, Fobara by King Jahfire featuring Agumela Wine, and then Catch Irishe, Temper, and Eddie Wizzy. At number 15 is Gospel Artist of the Year. There is Brother Richard, there is Brother Tommy, Mercy Bitek, Tracy Trey, and then Ronnie Desaka, then Jan Lizzo. In the hip hop category is Addix the Rapper and Tommy Smalls. We get Lumpy Joseph, Snob D, and then Real Meats, hot one from Lounge. And then Afrobeat, we find Tracy Trey, Mfariki, Astro Rablod. These are hot guys. Astro Rablod, Real Kid, these are really hot guys. Confiano, too hot. Foxy Boy, really hot, and Boy King. La Kubukuba Artist of the Year, there's King Denti, known as Final, Value Mema by Jenner Priska, Peloteno by Winnie Windsor, Pat Kima by Obi Lexo, and then Gangwa. Dancehall Artists, there's Foxy Boy, Young Dallas, Zetif, Dogi Keys, Kamuzu, Jelly G, and then Kasid Puma. West Nile Female Artist of the Year, there's Killer Andritha, Trisha Shine, Fifi Music, Fifi Huffy, Asha DMK, Maya Keys, Wendy. In the category of West Nile Male Artist of the Year, there's Cop Dawn, there's Bush Boy, there's Jansen, Bush Boy, Eddie Topsy, Monopoly, Helton Loverboy, Astrolifa, and then Lucky D, Legend, still trending. Lounge Female Artist of the Year, there's Meda Music, Ashan, Lizzie Music, Becky B, Vera, Real Meat. Lounge Male Artist of the Year, there's Jaguar, Stay Put, Gay Slans, Igwe, Professor Maros, Brian's Rule, I mean to say, and then Lil Square. Comedian of the Year, we get Castro, Afrigo the Mess, MC Eva D, and Young Hammer. And then Producer of the Year, there's Sivo, Masterbeat, there's Pro, Pajizzas, there's Giddy Beats, there's Rocky Pan, there's Once Beat. I think they have forgotten with a very hot producer, that is Ogaza Pro. But then, that's not her issue. We don't need controversy anymore. DJ of the Year, we have DJ Skizzy, DJ Don, DJ Ricky, DJ Obama, and DJ Red Card. Song of the Year, we have Weka by Luxy, then Ayoli by Snoop D and Labat, then Pebalo by Nace Official, and Pat Kima by Hobby Lexo. That is a tough one. Female Artist of the Year, we have Akisa, Carol Flower, Janet Priska, and then Winnie Windsor. Male Artist of the Year, there's King Denty Boy, there's King Jahfire, there's Nace Official, there's Kasid Puma, there's Birdman Rico. And then lastly, overall Artist of the Year is King Jahfire, Kamuzu, Lil Square, Janet Priska, Doogie Keys, and Kasid Puma. Important event guidelines: maximum of 2 songs per artist, no exceptions. The official lineup will be strictly followed. No changes, substitutions, or additions allowed on the day. Performance schedule: curtain raisers will start from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Main performances will be 8 p.m. onwards. Artists must be ready and in position backstage 10 minutes prior the time. So that is it. Along the way, we are also told that nobody more could attend this event, the NUMA Awards. As you can see, everything getting well arranged, well organized. This is NUMA Awards 2025. It's part of our culture. And one thing I can say, with NUMA Awards in Bapeje, Gulu City, stars awaits.